Samsung is likely to add pixel bending as a default feature, similar to its primary camera, which could help maintain a positive signal-to-noise ratio and maybe improve it. Meanwhile, we know that Samsung's flagship smartphones are currently expensive, but the 2025 versions might have an even higher price tag if they use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which is expected. Qualcomm, the manufacturer of Snapdragon chipsets, has revealed that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 would cost more than its predecessor, the Gen 3. According to reputable leaker Ice Universe, the new chipset might cost about $240, marking a 20.68% increase, or around $40 more than the Generation 3. This price increase is likely to be passed on to consumers, potentially raising the costs of not only the Samsung Galaxy S25 series but also the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and various other Android devices from brands such as OnePlus, Sony, and Xiaomi. However, this information should be approached with caution because it has not yet been officially confirmed. Additionally, various variables impact smartphone price, so although this news is alarming, there may be components that may help keep costs reasonable. Samsung, with its large sales volume, may potentially be able to negotiate better terms for the chipset. Furthermore, if the price gets too expensive, manufacturers may choose alternate chipsets. Samsung already utilizes its own Exynos CPUs in select models, notably in specific countries, for the Galaxy S series, and there have been conversations of using Mediate tech as well. Overall, Samsung looks to be on track to make substantial progress this year, correcting minor faults with the current S24 Ultra and preparing for the S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is still a few months away from its official release, but that hasn't stopped the flood of leaks that reveal exciting details about the forthcoming flagship smartphone range. The Ultra variant is expected to be a key highlight for the company, and early rumors say it will be slimmer than both the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the yet-to-be-released iPhone 16 Pro Max. Ice Universe, a well-known leak source, recently revealed some information regarding the device's dimensions. In a post in X over the weekend, Ice Universe revealed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra would measure just 8.2 mm thick, a significant decrease from the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 8.6 mm. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.